Hello Nathan, this is Max. Now let me introduce you how the door panels and the frames work together. Here in my hand is one door panels, hooks upside and hooks downside. Here is the second, exactly same as the first one. Now we put them together, overlap together like this, overlap like this. Now we have door panels combined. Door panels combined. Just imagine, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or many panels combined together. Many combined panels combined together. Then we have the door system. Okay, here is a bottom. This is the bottom, and then also on the bottom here also a hook. We can put the hook inside the last door panels like this. Now we have this system, and here should be a lock. Here should be a lock together with the floor. Together with the floor, so you can keep the door safe. You can keep the door safe. Okay, this is the bottom. This is the bottom. And about the frame, we have different shapes. This one is the U-shape frame, and this one is the C-shape frame. No matter the shapes looks like, the function is same. They just guide the door panels in the right direction like this. They will work as this. Go up and go down. They will go like this. So this is the whole system of the roller shutter door panels. Thank you.